Hello children, in the previous video we have seen that how to divide a number by a 2-digit number or a 3-digit number. In this video we will see how to identify word problems based on division operation or how to solve these kind of word problems. First of all, how to identify the word problems based on division. For this, you have to focus here if the data is given about many and asking about one, then the operation will be division. Suppose it is given that the cost of 10 refrigerator is this much, you have to find out the cost of one refrigerator. That means division. And sometimes if the data is given about many and you have to find out many, in that time also the operation will be division. Let's see how. It is given in your book in the form of exercise 14 problem sums. Question number 1 is given that a carton can hold 275 screws. How many cartons are required to pack 44,26,125 screws? So here it is given the screw in one carton and it is asking how many cartons we need to pack these many screws. So first of all, you have to make the statement properly from this problem sum. So what is given? The total number of screws is equal to 44,26,125. Number of screws that can be packed in one carton equal to 275. Therefore, you have to find out the number of cartons required to pack this 44,26,125 screws. Here the operation is this 44,26,125 divided by 275. Now, it will be easy to solve the problem if you know the table of 275. Already in the previous video, we have discussed about it, how to find out the table of 3-digit number by splitting method. Everybody knows the table of 2, table of 7 and table of 5. Now look at here, the table of 2, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18. Table of 7, 7, 14, 21, 28, 35, 42, 49, 56, 63. And table of 5, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45. Last digit you have to pick up first of all. So it is 5, 0, 5, 0, 5, 0, 5, 0, 5. After that you have to pick up the digit in the tens column. Here it is 7, no number left. So you have to write, and here it is 2. So you have to write this 2, 7, 5. After that here we are getting 14, 14 plus 1, 15, 5, 1 carry, 4 plus 1, 5. 21 plus 1, 22, 2 is written here, 2 carried with this 6, 6 plus 2, 8. 28 plus 2, 30, 0 here, 3 carried, 8 plus 3, 11. 35 plus 2, 37, 7 is written here, 3 carried, so 10 plus 3, 13. 42 plus 3, 45, 5 written here, 4 carried, 12 plus 4, 16. 49 plus 3, that is 52, 2 is written here, 5 carried, 14 plus 5, 19. 56 plus 4, 60, 0 you have written here, then 6 carried, 16 plus 6, 22. 63 plus 4, 67, 7 is written here, 6 carried, 18 plus 6, that is 24. In this way very easily we are getting the table of 275. Now let's see the division. Here the 3-digit number, so we have to consider first of all 3-digit 442. Now 275, go through the table. First of all 275 1 ja 275 and 2 ja 550. This 550 is bigger, so we have to consider 275 into 1 is equal to 275. 1 you have to write in the least place of this target number. After subtraction, getting 167. Placing down one digit and the target is now 1676. Nearest number you have to search in the table. Very easily you can see 275 into 6 is equal to 1650. Nearest to 1676. We have written here. Now after subtraction, getting 26. Now 1 place down, but 261 is lesser than 275. Therefore, 275 into 0 is equal to 0. Again subtraction, 261, 2 place down, 2612 is the target. Now go through the table and search this number. What we are getting? We are getting that 275 into 9 is equal to 2475. Now after subtraction getting 137, finally you have to place down the last digit. Target is 1375. 275 into 5 is equal to 1375. Getting no remainder is left. Therefore, you can conclude the answer. The answer is 16,095 cartons are required. So children, if the tables is written, then very easily you can solve the division. Otherwise, when we have to search the nearest number to the target, you may puzzle. Is it 9 or is it 8? Is it 5 or is it 6 or is it 4? So these kind of confusion you may get. So better you write down the tables on the right side, then the division will be correct and it will be more easy. Now look at here another word problem. It is given in your book, question number 2. Here it is given 73,59,105 pencils are packed equally in 845 boxes. And it is asking how many pencils are packed in one box. So first of all, you have to conclude what is given and what you have to find out. It is given that number of pencil in 845 boxes is equal to 73,59,105 and asking about only one box. That means given about many and asking about one. The operation is, it is the indication to solve this problem by the operation division. Now pencil in one box is equal to this number divided by this number. So 73,59,105 divided by 845. 845 is a large number, so better to get the table of 845. Split it into 8, 4 and 5. Everybody knows the table of 8, 4 and 5. You have to write down the table of 8 first of all. 8, 16, 24, 32, 40, 48, 56, 64, 72. Then the 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28, 32, 36. Then table of 5, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45. Now you have to pick up the last digit 50505050. Then you have to find out rest of the numbers. Here it is 4, here it is 8, no carry number, so 8 and 4. Here it is 8, 0 already is written, 1 is left, so 8 plus 1, 9 and then 16 you have to write. 12 plus 1, 13, 3 written, 1 carry, 24 plus 1, 25. 16 plus 2, 18, 8 is written here, 1 carry, 32 plus 1, 33. 20 plus 2, 2 is written here, 2 carried, 40 plus 2, 42. 24 plus 3, 27, 7 written, 2 carried, 48 plus 2, 50. Now 28 plus 3, 31, 1 is written, 3 carried, 56 plus 3, 59. Then 32 plus 4, 36, 6 is written here, 3 carried, 64 plus 3, 67. 36 plus 4, 40, 0 is written here, 4 carried, 72 plus 4, 76. So table of 845 is ready. With the help of this table, you can solve your division sum. First of all, 7359105 divided by 845. Considering the 3 digit lesser than 845, you have to consider one more digit. Your target is now 7359. 7359. Nearest number you have to search. You can get the nearest number in the table. 845 into 8 is equal to 6760. You have to write it. After that, after subtraction, you are getting 599. 1 you have to place down. Then the nearest number you have to search in the table. You are getting into 7 is equal to 5915. So 845 into 7 is equal to 5915. Now after subtraction, you are getting 76. 0 you have to place down. the 760 is lesser than 845. Now you have to multiply 845 into 0 is equal to 0. Subtract it, getting the 760 is the remainder form. Last digit you have to place down. Now the target is 7605, and finally in the table you are getting 845 into 9 is equal to 7605. And the division is now completed. In this way you can get the answer. What is the answer? How many pencils are packed in one box? 8709 pencils are packed in one box. So these kind of division sums or these kind of problem sums can be solved easily if you know the tables properly. Therefore children, you learn the tables till 9 thoroughly. You can find out tables of any large number, and all these things need practice. Do practice a lot at your home. Some of the sums you have to do in classwork copy as it is given in the PDF, and rest of the sums you have to do in your practice copy. And you know, practice makes a man perfect. So do practice. He will be more perfect in this operation. Thank you.